In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Framer. We're going to walk through connecting a MailerLite embedded form directly into your Framer project so that anyone who visits your site can subscribe without you writing any custom code. By the end, your live Framer page will display your MailerLite form exactly where you want it. First, head over to your MailerLite account and log in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. There, you'll see a section called Forms. Click on that. Inside the Forms area, select the Embedded Forms tab. This is where all the forms that can be placed on external sites are managed. If you already have an embedded form created, find the one you want to use and click the Overview button for that specific form. If you don't have one yet, look to the top right corner and click on Create Form, then quickly go through the setup to create your new embedded form. When you're on the Overview page for your chosen form, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a card that shows the form's share URL. This is the link that allows your form to be embedded. Go ahead and copy that URL to your clipboard because we'll use it inside Framer. Now switch over to Framer and open the project where you want your MailerLite form to appear. Make sure you're in the editor. At the top area, towards the left, click on the Insert button, usually shown with a plus symbol. This opens the Elements panel. In the search bar within this panel, type Embed. You'll see an embed element appear in the search results. Click and drag that embed element onto your canvas, placing it roughly where you want the MailerLite form to show up on your page. With the embed element selected, look over to the right-hand side where the Properties panel is located. Scroll down in this panel until you find the section labeled Embed. Inside this section, you'll see an option for type. Change this to URL. A field will appear where you can paste the link. Paste in the share URL you copied from MailerLite. After a moment, Framer will load that URL inside the embed element, and you should see your MailerLite form appear directly in your design. From here, you can fine-tune how it looks. Use the resize handles on the embed element to adjust its width and height so it fits nicely within your layout. You can drag it around to refine its placement on the page. In the Properties panel, you may also see additional settings that affect how the embed behaves, so feel free to tweak those until the form looks and feels integrated with your design. Once the form is displaying correctly and positioned where you want it, you're done. Your MailerLite form is now successfully integrated with your Framer project, ready to collect subscribers directly from your site.